I'm here, one of the streets in Danok. Yeah. So, I'm just exploring and looking for something to buy. So, I came here, and that is the main road. Okay. One of the streets in Danok. Okay, bye. So, this is another streets in Danok. So, I will go and look for the Aicha, like the Mitsu Aicha. Massage. Okay, there are so many massage places here in Danok. Yeah. Okay. This hotel is like a cinema. See? It's like a cinema, but it's a hotel. Okay, so I think there's nothing here. Okay. Isa sa mga makikita natin dito sa Danok is mga KTV bars, cafe, street foods, and so on and so forth. Okay. Then if happen you are looking for the duty free here in Danok, there is the duty free in Danok on the other side of the streets. You can find it only in the main road. You want to look for the duty free. You can buy so many things there, more especially chocolates. Okay. So this is the main road of Danok. Okay. You see that? That is the main road of Danok. Now, of course, here in Thailand, you will see McDonald's. Hindi mawawala. And then, of course, you will see in any streets the 7-Eleven. Okay. And, of course, McDonald's. Siyempre, hindi mawawala rito yung mga beauty products. Beauty products, and of course, where will I go? I think I will go to Watson. Okay, yeah. I go to Watson. Siyempre, hindi mawawala rito rin ng Watson. Beauty products. Thailand is very famous when it comes to beauty products like South Korea. That is Watson. Let's go inside. Okay. So I'm here in Danok, Thailand. Now the rain is heavy. So I'm waiting for the rain to stop so I can go back to my hotel. You see? Very heavy. Okay. Yeah, it's been raining here in Thailand like in Malaysia. When I go there every afternoon, always go there. Now here. Good evening everyone. So it's already 5 p.m. here in Thailand. The rain is very strong here in Thailand, so I cannot go back to my hotel. You see? Yeah, they're almost not zero visibility but almost blurred on that part of the